man with a lamp. Yes, he. And a man who come with trekking here. Okay? And there's a woodcutter which is inside the forest. Now we are starting the story. Oh, see, there's a carpenter. What he could do of us. Attack him. Come on, Avia. Come, 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 my friend, come. I am here. Oh, you are there. Yes. Who is today's my lunch? No, 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 please don't eat us. No, no, no. I will eat you. Ooh. Get away, get away, get away. Get away. Thank you for this help. I hope they will not come now with us. Oh my god, see! Something! Oh, he is coming. Go, go, my dear Sacco. Oh my god, he's gone away. I will fight with you. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what should I do? Do you want now to go? No, 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 please, no, I don't want to go. I will kill you if you want to go. I want this tent now. What a person.